How to use free hit on FPL. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how to use free hit on FPL. For this, open up the PL app on your device. If you don't have this application, head over to Play Store or App Store in order to download and install it. Now tap on the fantasy option and make sure to sign into your account. Now we want to head over to the transfers page. Now free hit lets you completely change your FPL team for one game week. This means you can bring in any players you want, providing the final squad fits within your budget with an unlimited number of transfers. For this, all you have to do is find the free hit option and tap on the play button. You will find this option right next to bench boost and triple captain. Once you tap on the play option, you can now select your squad for this particular game week. Now you can bring in any player you want as long as it is in your budget. The key feature of free hit is that your squad reverts back to your previous team at the end of the game week, so it lets you take a punt on certain players or cover for certain issues without having to use free transfers or your wild card. You can only use the free hit one time throughout the season, and that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.